4th of July game at their park. As the 1-0 taken to right field, Ortiz all the way at the wall in front of the warning track, and it sails over. Chad Bell cannot be stopped in this series. That's his 4th solo home run. In these 6 games, the crowd is booing him. This is crushed into right field. Oh man, that sails over the Adbors. A 3-run moonshot by Michael Beltre put Somerset up 4-0. That was a blast and a half. Beltre's 5th. Bumped out of your spot. Here's the 0-2 to Muzziotti, chopped to first. Coming home is Graffinino. As Chad Bell makes the play unassisted, Muzzi drives in the first run of the game, and the Arfield trail by just 3 now. Here's the 0-2 count. Line drive that gets in the hole on the left side. Coming around and scoring is Blake Perkins. And there's run number 6 for the Somerset Patriots. July, unusual, but that's for the post-game fireworks as Lockridge belts this into right field, and it heads into the pool. A solo shot for Brandon Lockridge makes it 7-1 Somerset, and they are hammering the home runs today. Conley smokes this into left. Way back at the wall, a solo shot. A jack from Jack. That's his 5th bomb of the season.